OMG, peeps. I have not had this much water in a long time. This is literally flood level. I mean, all the way up to the bridge, like to the bridge. The banks are swole. And the bullfrogs are going crazy. You got stuff washed down into the pond from up top. This is the mega rains. Dogs going crazy. Bullfrogs going crazy. Water's backwashed all the way up into the gully. The water's full. It just emptied last night. You can see that's cool. The water rinsing off of the island, the silt. It's got the and it's still flowing down the stream. Wow. But that is crazy how you can see where it runs from the... Sorry, I just woke up. The leaves and all the and then the sand water.